Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox error code 280. First, a simple restart of your computer and router can often resolve temporary network glitches. Next, confirm your internet connection is stable and performing well. A weak signal can cause issues. Finally, always check the official Roblox server status page to make sure the problem isn't on their end before diving into more complex solutions. Your network and firewall settings are crucial. Make sure your firewall isn't mistakenly blocking Roblox. You might need to add an exception. Sometimes, antivirus software can interfere, so try temporarily disabling it for a few minutes. Additionally, flushing your DNS cache and renewing your IP address through your computer's command prompt can clear up stubborn connection problems. Issues with the Roblox client itself are common. Start by clearing your Roblox temporary files and cache, which can often fix corrupted data. If that doesn't work, a complete reinstallation of the Roblox player application is a strong next step. Remember to run Roblox as an administrator. This grants the program the necessary permissions to function correctly on your system. For more persistent issues, consider updating your network drivers to their latest versions. Outdated drivers can cause connectivity problems. If you suspect regional restrictions or routing issues, trying a reputable VPN might help. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Roblox support. They have specialized tools and knowledge to provide personalized assistance and guide you through more complex solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.